Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined us today. We are going to get rid of the old and in with the new, meaning we're going to make sure our bodies are boosted up, our immune systems are boosted up for this winter season ahead of us. Our ingredients today are watercress, parsley, ginger, spinach, and coconut water and carrots. First juice is a Power Punch detox juice. You can either use a blender or a juicer. In this instance, I'm going to be using a blender. First of all, we're going to wash all of our greens, our ginger, and then we're going to measure out 500 milliliters of coconut water. And then we're going to put all of this into the blender. Once it's in the blender, we're going to turn it on and at quite a high speed and make sure that it's all broken down, that there are no bits and everything is processed thoroughly in the blender. Once it's thoroughly blended, we're going to put a mesh cloth into a jug and we're going to pour out our juice just to take out that excess fibre, and we're going to squeeze the juice through the nylon mesh cloth, and then as you see, we have a lovely juice with no bits. Once the juice has been strained, then you can pour that into a glass bottle and then cover that up and put it in the fridge, and that can normally last for 2 to 3 days, but it's normally best drunk on the day that you've made it. Our next juice is our carrot detox drink, and for this recipe we're going to be using organic carrots, about 300 grams, plus ginger and 500 mils of coconut water. Again, we're going to add all of our ingredients into the blender, and once they're all in there, we're going to make sure that everything is blended really well together, that there are no bits left in there, and that it's thoroughly processed, so that once it's finished we can then strain it. Once the juice is blended, we're going to put it through a nylon mesh strainer, and we're going to make sure all of the juice comes out, leaving that fibre behind and just the nice clear juice, and then we're going to pour that into a bottle. And like I said, the juice is best drunk on the day that it's made, but it can be kept in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. The benefits of our immune boosting detox juices. Watercress is high in vitamin A and C, high in antioxidants, and helps in boosting our immune system. Spinach, rich in vitamin K, strengthens our bones, magnesium and vitamin A and C. Parsley, rich in antioxidants and a good antibacterial properties. Our ginger, good source of antioxidants and an anti-inflammatory. Our carrots are good for boosting eye health, vitamins A, C and K, and boosting the immune system. Coconut water, good concentration of electrolytes and a good source of amino acids, and helps to boost our rehydration. Thank you for watching today's video, and be sure to boost your immune system with these delicious juices. Remember, follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us, and also follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and if you've got any comments, comment below, and tell us about what videos you'd like to see. Okay, thank you and see you soon.